Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by enabling Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location because QuickShare uses discovery and fast transfer channels together. Once done, open the photo, video, or file you want to send and tap the share icon. Then select QuickShare in the share sheet so the system scans for nearby devices. Make sure your visibility setting is appropriate. Contacts only for privacy or everyone for quick pairing. This initial step gets devices talking and immediately moves you into the device selection phase. You'll see nearby devices listed. Tap the person or device avatar to select your recipient, and QuickShare begins negotiating a connection. Once the target is selected, choose transfer options if prompted, pick high quality for photos and videos, or keep standard to reduce data and time. If you have multiple files, select them in the gallery or file manager first so QuickShare sends them as one batch. Make sure the recipient accepts the incoming request. A progress indicator will show estimated transfer time and speed. You should wait until the progress reaches 100% and both devices show a confirmation. That ensures the transfer completed without corruption. Afterward, open downloads or your gallery to verify files saved correctly and consider moving or backing them up. Once done, set your visibility back to hidden or contacts only for privacy. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices, move them closer. And if needed, update Google Play services or restart the phones before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.